Type error, sequence item 0, expected string, int found. I am attempting to insert data from a dictionary into a database. I want to iterate over the values and format them accordingly, depending on the data type. Here is a snippet of the code I am using. When I run the algo using some sample data, see below, I get the error. Type error, sequence item 0, expected string, int found. An example of a value underscore list data which gives the above error is: what am I doing wrong?
String.join connects elements inside list of strings, not ints. Use this generator expression instead.
Although the given list comprehension, generator expression answers are okay, I find this easier to read and understand.
Replace with or.
The answers by Full and Priyank Patel work great. However, you bet that some values could be Unicode strings and therefore may cause the str to throw Unicode TypeError error. In that case, replace the function str by the function Unicode. For example, assume the string Libby, Dutch for Libya, represented in Python as the Unicode string U''Libby\Zeb. Throws the following error. The following line, however, will not throw an error. So, replace by to be safe.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.